Eset Online Scanner Guide. First, click here to download Eset Online Scanner to proceed to the download page. Next, click on One-Time Scan to continue. Your download should start automatically. Once it's done, click on the installer. Now, select your language and click Get Started. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes to continue. Now, minimize your browser. Here, we are going to accept the terms of service. Next, click No Thanks and disable to not send data to Eset, then click Continue to proceed with the installation. There are 3 types of scans: Full Scan, Quick Scan, and Custom Scan. Select Quick Scan. Next, click Enable Detection and Quarantine Potentially Unwanted Applications. Then click Start Scan. Now it's going to download the latest virus database. And now your first scan is running. Remember, this is only a temporary solution. It's highly recommended to purchase an antivirus program. I highly recommend either Eset Nod 32 or Eset Smart Security. Either are a great choice to protect your PC. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.